In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook signature problem. If your email signature isn't showing up, is duplicated, or keeps switching back to the wrong one. The fix is usually quick once you know where to look. We'll start in Windows to clear a common conflict, then check your settings in the new Outlook, which stores signatures in the cloud. Begin by opening Windows Settings. On your keyboard, you can use the Windows key plus I or select the gear icon from the Start menu. In Settings, choose Apps. This is where Windows lists software installed on your computer and lets you manage it. Next, go to Installed Apps. Depending on your Windows version, this might be labeled Apps and Features, but it serves the same purpose. You'll see a search box for quickly finding specific entries. In that search box, type Microsoft Office Desktop Apps. If you see an entry with exactly that name, select it and choose Uninstall. This component comes from the Microsoft Store and can clash with your main Office installation, leading to signature issues in Outlook. Removing it does not uninstall your primary Office suite or delete your data. It simply removes the duplicate shell that causes the conflict. If Windows asks you to confirm, go ahead. If you don't see that entry at all, that's fine. Just continue to the next part. Now let's address signatures in the new Outlook, which are saved to the cloud so they can follow you between devices. In Outlook, open Settings. You'll find the gear icon in the upper right corner of the window. Inside Settings, choose Accounts. This is where Outlook manages each email account and related preferences, including signatures. Select Signatures. Here you'll see your saved signatures and the assignment controls. Make sure the correct signature is selected for new messages and for replies forwards using the drop-down menus. If you have more than one account or multiple signatures, confirm you're assigning the right one to the right account. This is a common reason a signature appears to go missing. It's simply not set as the default for the action you're taking. To ensure your cloud settings take effect, sign out of Outlook and sign back in. This step refreshes your profile and forces a sync with the cloud, which often makes the updated signature assignments appear immediately. That's all there is to it. Remove the conflicting Microsoft Office Desktop Apps entry. If it's present, verify your signature assignments in Outlook settings and then sign out and back in to refresh. Your signatures should now appear exactly where you expect them.